about almost 7 o'clock in the morning, and I've been awake since 5:30, but I look like this. Um, I am incredibly exhausted this morning. Every morning's a struggle. I wake up, I should have at least have some energy, and I don't. Um, I wake up and I'm tired for like at least the next 2 hours. I drink coffee. I have like an energy drink. I know that's not good for you, but none of that really seems to work. I take vitamins. Um, this has just been within the last couple of months that I am so exhausted. And, I just kind of thought I'd get on here real quick and talk to you guys about menopause and how it can really wreak havoc on your body. I know in my last video I had talked about my thyroid, that I'm having some issues with that. And I assume that's probably part of the reason that I'm so exhausted in the morning. But it's been a real struggle. Like I need to go to work this morning, and I will. I always make it to work, but there are days I have to drag myself in. I'm sure there are quite a few of you out there who are struggling with this as well. And, I wanted to talk to you guys about how this menopause, it's a real thing. You know, how do you guys get yourselves up and moving and ready for the day, especially if you're still working? Maybe you're not, but you have grandchildren that you take care of or other responsibilities that you have to do for the day. I think it's just mind over body. I have to really work myself, really try to motivate myself and be like, okay, these are the reasons that I need to get up and get ready and do things. I need to still make money because I have a 14-year-old daughter and obviously I have to take care of myself. But, excuse me, I guess, like I said, it's just mind over body. I have to make myself get up, do things, remember my goals, remember the reasons that I have to do these things. What do you guys do? What are some of your tips and tricks? I do try to drink a whole thing of 24 ounces of water before I even get to work in the morning. That does help. Water actually does give me energy. And, but it's still just a struggle. It really is. So I decided to reach out to you guys, talk to you about this. Sometimes I think, we're not real enough on here and everything's just kind of, I can't even always find the words, brain fog. I love that. Everything is just so superficial sometimes on YouTube. And so I wanted to just be really real with you. The idea of this whole channel is to share things and to help each other connect and, offer tips and tricks to each other on ways to overcome a lot of aging symptoms, whatever it is you're feeling, and just know that you're not alone, that, I feel it too. I know there's many other women who are feeling exhausted and, maybe other symptoms like headaches and nausea, joint pain, and just sometimes I almost feel like I have the flu every day, just feel like I'm dragging myself. But we're, taking steps to work on that. Obviously, I'm seeing a doctor who's going to help with my thyroid and a lot of the other issues that menopause is breaking down in my body. So just to check in, I hope that you guys have a great day, and I hope that you're all feeling well. And, just see your doctor. Make sure that you're getting all the information about what is going on with your body, and don't stop until your doctor hears you. There's been many times I've gone to different doctors, and sometimes I feel blown off. So if you're feeling that too, don't stop. Keep going somewhere. Go to, see different doctors until you are heard, because this is important. Women's health is very important. So I hope you guys have a great day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye, Blooming Beauties.